and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria Azier, also known as Mindset and Mascara. I normally do my intros full-fledged makeup. However, I am not doing that today because I am trying something different. Not really different. It is a halo eye, but I haven't tried it before and I don't know if it's gonna work, so we'll see how it comes out. It could be bad, it could be good, it could be, you know, meh, but we're gonna see. And if you want to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook, I will have them linked down below. I do a look every single day. I also post on IGTV. I do IGTV tutorials Monday, Wednesday, Friday of whatever look it is that day. I do film tutorials here. I only film tutorials once a week. Also, yeah, if you want to subscribe, I'd love to have you. Hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell button to get notifications. Oh my gosh, I'm slipping over my words today. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I am zoomed in as close as possible. Those of you that do not know, I dropped my ring light and it had my camera there on top of it. My ring light broke, well, the mount to my camera broke, and now everything is a little bit further away, but it looks like it's not too bad. I am going to get a new lens one of these days, so until then, this is how close it will be. Usually it's a lot closer. Pat McGrath Mothership 3, we're only using one shade out of this. We are going to use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. We are also going to use the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. So let's get started here. I'm going to grab my blending brush. This is the Elizabeth Mott blending brush. It is clean, it's just stained. So we're gonna go into the Zulu palette. And we're gonna grab this purple. Yes, my Zulu palette is broken. That really upsets me, but there is really nothing I can do about it. So let me grab my mirror. Here's my mirror. I have another lighted mirror up here, but I've gotten so used to using this mirror here that it's gonna end up being that I use this. Okay, so we are going to, and I think I'm gonna move this maybe to the side. Yeah, and get a little bit of light there. Okay, there we go. And we're going to use the purple as a transition. I put my primer on. I did not set it. I never set my primer, mainly because I use a lot of bright colors. And I don't want, and I want a really good payoff. I want them to show their brightness. But it is going to take me a little while to blend it. So, of course, I will be skipping around here. Alright, so now that we have this down, we are going to be taking the IBY crease brush, which is my most used, my go-to crease brush. And we are going to go in and take this purple down here. I believe that's the purple. Yeah, this is the blue. We're going to take this purple down here and we are going to, oh wait, we're not taking the crease brush. Sorry, we are not taking the crease brush. We are going to be taking, oh, not that one, this one, the JH31, and we're going to be taking that purple and we are going to be deepening up the crease. Those that have asked, I don't get the questions much on Instagram or on YouTube, mainly because I don't have much of a following yet. But those that have asked, yes, I have washed these brushes. I haven't seen a whole lot of shedding. There has been shedding on these brushes, so just so that you know, there has been shedding. And this is going to be like a darker smoky eye. see me dancing over here. It's quite hilarious. Okay, now we are going to cut the halo eye out. I don't know if y'all want to see this on camera. I'm probably only going to do part of it, and then I will do the rest off of camera. That is if I can find my concealer. I found my concealer. We are going to be using the Kat Von D concealer in Whiteout. Love this stuff. All right, and we are going to use this Luxie 245 small shader brush. And we're gonna do a pretty big halo. Alright, so the halos are done, and normally I would put on my shimmer shadows with this JH41, but I want something a little more detailed because I want it a little more precise than normal. So we're gonna go into the Mothership 3. I'm still sick, but I'm pretty much over it. So we're gonna go into the Mothership 3, and we're gonna get this color right here. It is blue with a purple shift, and that is gonna go, that is going to be used as the halo. Okay, now that that is on there, we are going to we're going to kind of blend everything out on this eye, and then I will go and do the other eye, and then we'll finish the eye. Well, not finish, because we got the lower lash line, but let me stop talking as much as I do love to talk. We're gonna get this domed brush and just blend everything out. Okay, so I want to tie the blue in with the purple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here into the Alchemy palette, and I'm going to use, wrong side, this color right here, the blue Sapphire. And that is going to go on the brow bone. Here we go with this brush right here. This is the JH42. And set up here. My battery is running low, so I'm going to charge it while I finish my face makeup, or do my face makeup, and then we'll come back and do the lower lash line. Okay, and get my dome brush and blend it out. I do all of my highlights like this. I just think they look better on me like that. But I mean, if you don't want such a harsh highlight and such a bold look, one, why are you watching me? And two, just do whatever is comfortable for you. Okay, so I'm now gonna go off camera and clean up the eyes. Should I add liner or not? I'll add liner. Maybe just for the, well, I'm not gonna put any lashes on, but I will add liner. And then come back and we'll do the lower lash line. All right, let's get started. I've got all my face makeup on, and I do have a light kind of flashing here because I want you guys to see what I'm doing. Now I'm gonna get the Almar Cosmetics little brush here. And we're gonna go in with the dark purple on the outer lash line, which is this color right here. And we're gonna pull that on the outer lash line. All right. All right. Now I wanted to bring in some shimmer here, but I didn't want to bring in that bluish purple that we had up there because I don't know if it's really going to show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Masquerade palette, and I'm going to grab this purple right here. Let's color switch this. We're going to grab this purple and bring it onto the inner portion. Okay, and now we are going to take a small, well, not small, but a pencil brush, and we're gonna go into the Zulu palette and pick up this purple right here that we used as a transition. Where'd my mirror go? I lost my mirror. I lose everything, guys. And then we're just gonna kind of trace this out here. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a clean blending brush. This one right here, it's clean, I promise. And we're going to kind of blend those colors together so the edges aren't so harsh. Okay, now we are going to take the 24/7 Glide On eye pencil, and see, I've used this a lot, in Psychedelic Sister, and put that on the waterline. Okay, there we go. That is the waterline. I always set this aside because I have very wet eyes. They tend to water a lot, and I tend to get a little bit that comes off there. Last but not least, we are going to put that same blue that we used up top here, and we're going to put that in the inner corner. So you guys can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, this is going to go into the inner corner there. So that is it for the eyes besides mascara. So I am going to zoom this out. All right, so I'm gonna put some mascara on. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. This is what I normally do on Instagram. If you guys want to see like my contour and everything, just feel free to comment down below and let me know. I have no problem showing that. It'll just make for a longer video, and I'm trying to keep these videos like 20 minutes or less. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is more me than anything. Bold eyes and bold lip. I love it. It's not for everybody, but I love it. I didn't do lashes. Lashes normally kind of accentuate the look. I didn't do lashes because I'm like running out the door as we speak. So yeah, I just used, where did I put it? I just used the Sugar Pill Liquid Lipstick in Dark Sided, and I topped it with the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Gloss in Candy Flip. I absolutely love the Hi-Fi Shine glosses. especially the ones that have like the iridescent shift in it, because it just turns a lip look into, you would not believe. So yeah, this is the finished look. I am so happy, so excited, and very, very impressed with it. I thought it was actually going to come out really, really bad, but some days I surprise myself. I do monochromatic looks often. However, I don't recall ever doing a halo eye with a monochromatic look, so I was a little iffy on it, but I'm very happy with the results. And yeah, so with that, I am going to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for joining. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, just leave them down in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, then hit the subscribe button. I tend to do tutorials once a week, and I'm gonna start doing a Will I Buy It series. I have not. I've tried recording one and it just came out like horribly. I guess I am not as comfortable talking about, you know, things like that as I am with doing tutorials and stuff. Also, if you would like to follow me on Facebook and Twitter, no, sorry, not Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, that will be down below. I do have a Twitter account. I'll post that below too. I don't really post much on it. I love you guys, and I cannot wait for our next video, and I will see you then. Bye.